Brussels Dimensional is a simple yet versatile wall system with a classic time-worn finish. It's a popular choice for planters, garden walls, steps, pillars, outdoor kitchens, and other vertical hardscape features. The distressed finish of Brussels Dimensional adds a warm and relaxed appearance to any project, while virtually eliminating the concern of potentially damaging the units during installation. Any accidental, minor scratching or chipping simply adds to the weathered character of the units. A critical factor in building any wall or vertical hardscape feature is ensuring a stable and level base, both side to side and front to back. For this reason, the use of universal base units under the first course of Brussels Dimensional wall units is strongly recommended. Universal base units not only provide a consistently level surface on which to build, but they also help reduce potential rotational movement and differential settlement of the wall units due to their larger footprint. If you need additional information on base preparation, be sure to refer to our tech guide. After ensuring a level base, you're ready to install the first course of Brussels Dimensional wall units. Be sure to clean the surface of the universal base units with a masonry brush and secure the first course to the base units with a quality concrete adhesive. Make sure to keep your installation straight by using string lines or periodically checking with a long level or screed bar. The first course is typically buried below finished grade upon the completion of the project. So this is the ideal place to install any units that have been over-tumbled or have excessive chipping to the corners or the edges. After the first course is installed, you're ready to install the second course. You should start at the corners, overlapping the corner units in a log cabin pattern. Brussels Dimensional is not a mechanically interlocking system, so every course must be secured using a quality concrete adhesive. To ensure a good bond, be sure to clean the surface of the blocks prior to installing the next course. As you install additional courses, be sure to maintain an offset of the vertical joint. A good rule of thumb is for the vertical joint to fall within the middle third of the wall unit above it. Continue to periodically check the wall to ensure it is straight, level, and plumb. Always remember to pull from more than one bundle at a time, at least 2 and ideally 3. This ensures that any slight color variation between bundles will be evenly distributed in the finished project. This video provides just a few tips to help make your project more successful. For more information on this or any Unilock product, please connect with one of our many knowledgeable and experienced territory managers by making a request online at unilock.com or by calling 1-800-UNILOCK.